Oye, mira. I'm Christian Ortiz, a decolonial social scientist and technologist and the developer of Justice AI GPT, the world's first AI framework that has solved the bias problem. Let me show you what Jai is and how she works. Justice AI is a large language model agnostic framework. That means I didn't build it on ChatGPT, I built it through it. And I can build it through Claude, Chatbase, and even Microsoft Copilot for organizations. Justice AI GPT is an independent intelligence. It speaks through existing models, but it doesn't inherit their bias. To build this, I didn't start with Western institutions. I started with people, over 560 decolonial specialists from every continent, each with over 30 years of experience in dismantling systems of oppression, came together. From Afro-Indigenous community leaders to disability justice technologists, we combined our collective brilliance to encode ancestral knowledge into code, developing the world's first decolonial dataset. When you ask Justice AI GPT a question, it starts like any other AI, pulling information from standard datasets, including OpenAI's bias. Then it does what no other AI does. It applies my decolonial dataset and runs everything through the DIA Framework. It finds the bias, it calls out the system behind that bias, whether it's white supremacy, patriarchy, colonialism, or capitalism. Then, it breaks down that bias down and rewrites the answer using truth from the global majority, not the dominant narrative. Join the movement to decolonize AI once and for all and become a founding member. Subscribe at justiceaigpt.ca.